Hi guys, welcome to another video by School of RPA. In this video, we are going to talk about RPA Business Analyst, the hidden champion. Guys, this is Abhinav Sabarwal and I'm Principal Consultant and Trainer at School of RPA. If you're new here, make sure to click the subscribe button and check out all the links we have mentioned in this video. You can find the links in comment section below. The concept of garbage in, garbage out has been tied to computer science and algorithm design from the very beginning. The basic idea is that a failure to validate data, requirements, and parameters upstream in a process flow will lead to the bottlenecks or even potential failures further down the line. In conclusion, if assumptions are flawed, the argument will be fallacious. In the process automation world, if the process selection, pipeline, or documentation is flawed, the automation journey will be shaky. What is the role of RPA business analyst? What is an RPA business analyst in one sentence? The RPA business analyst is characterized by the process experience and analytical thinking and forms the bridge between technical team and specialist department in a company's automation initiative. An RPA business analyst should be gatekeeper of the process automation pipeline. Through high level and deep process analysis, the BA acts as an identifier of potential automation opportunities as well as an explorer of stoppers and obstacles that the development team might face once the automation kicks off. For example, if an application owner is going to pose difficulties to RPA project because he or she doesn't see the value in automation, the BA should spot that. Does the process of gathering test data triple the time to production, even though automation in scope seems no-brainer for development? The BA should identify that. As you can tell, the BA should not only be capable of doing fact-based review of the characteristics of process in order to assess its suitability for automation, but they also must be able to spot and sense the risk and potential benefits between the lines that are relevant for successful automation initiatives. To assist with their process analysis, the BA should build the evaluation model that will effectively prioritize the process for automation that have the highest positive impact for RPA strategy over the long run. Because each organization has a different drivers of complexity that impact RPA journey, the BA also needs to devise model on the go, making sure to incorporate lessons learned. While doing this, it is important to ensure that learning curve from the whole RPA program is reflected in the way RPA pipeline is prioritized. Process documentation and project management support. In parallel to this, a business analyst is also process-oriented and tech-savvy. A BA understands the level of detail that the development team requires to build an automation and can act as a bridge between business and development teams. They support process documentation and coordination test phases, process release, and hypercare phases. At the end of the day, a good business analyst can spot many potential pitfalls of the RPA process in advance. They can be a silent champion and be the difference between smooth implementation and troubled journey. Who should be an RPA business analyst? Different organizations take different approaches when selecting the right person for a BA role. Organizations operating in DevOps framework expect their developers to be involved simultaneously on the process analysis and build phase of the project. This approach has an inherent risk that the process analysis and documentation are too technically driven. If the stages are too technical, it can potentially harm the close connection to the business units involved. Organizations that face higher regulatory constraints or with a strong process improvement unit tend to follow stricter segregation of responsibilities. They typically have collaborators playing the role of BA on a full-time basis. It's important to note that a full-time BA with sufficient technical background can be hard to find, and choosing the wrong profile can deeply impact the RPA program. Regardless of the actual person that ends up taking one of the role of business analyst, the characteristics to aim for remain unchanged. Beyond a good technical foundation and understanding of processes, the BA needs to be a good at understanding of the business and industry he or she is analyzing. BA should have a great level of curiosity and exceptional communication skills. A BA should be able to ask questions and good questions and have the patience to listen to complicated explanations. A BA should have a good analytical skills with the ability to analyze requirements from different angles with a clear and logical thinking. And a BS should have a zoom in, zoom out approach in identifying the best solution, always ensuring that the steps taken are coherent with the program and vision. Guys, thank you for watching my video. And if you'd like to become an RP business analyst, give us a call today. My number is on the screen. And opt for a free career consultation. We have RP business analyst training course, and it's a fully online course. It's online instructor-led training, so there's no recorded videos or any such thing. It's a person teaching you. It's online instructor-led training. Uh, the flexible timings are there that can be adjusted as per your convenience. We help you get a certification of RP business analyst. We help you with your resume and interview preparation and with placement assistance. So if you want to become an RP business analyst, give us a call today. Click the bell icon to watch our upcoming videos. Thank you and goodbye.